Welcome to the Sulvex Small Reservoir Irrigation Project, an initiative designed to transform agricultural productivity and support farmers' livelihoods. Situated in Barangay Sapat, Pasukin, Ilocos Norte, this irrigation project irrigates 705 hectares of farmlands and served 10 barangays, with 4 irrigators associations providing sustainable water supply for 1,045 farmers and their families. The reservoir area can impound approximately 1,063,000 cubic meters of water that aims to harness that potential of local water resources, ensuring that every drop is used efficiently to irrigate fields and boost agricultural output.
Mga kababayan, ang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Sa ngayon, ating matutunghayan ang unveiling ng project marker ng Sulvex Small Reservoir Irrigation Project na pangungunahan ng ating mahal na Pangulo. Ready, Mr. President? At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. The marker reads as follows. Sulvex Strip is a national government project that addresses the scarcity of irrigation in parts of the agricultural area of Pasukin, Ilocos Norte. The SSRIP will increase farmers' incomes, improve their standards of living, and enable sustainable development in rural areas. This is legacy for the present and future generations of Bagong Pilipinas. Muli, maraming salamat, mahal na Pangulo. At ngayon naman, ating inaanyayahan ang ating mahal na Pangulo upang pangunahan ang ceremonial opening of Gate Dam na maghuhudyat ng pagsisimula ng operasyon nito. At the count of 3, Mr. President, 1, 2, 3. There you have it! Opisyal na pong bukas ang Sulvex Small Reservoir Irrigation Project. Maraming salamat po muli, mahal na Pangulo. Muli mga kababayan, ang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Panahon na ng pagbabago,
Maaari na po tayong umupo.
kinakailangan.
Naimbag nga bigat kada kayo amin apo. Tayo po ay nagtitipon-tipon ngayon para sa inauguration ng Sulvex Small Reservoir Irrigation Project. Para sa opisyal na simula ng ating programa, inaanyahan po natin ang ating butihing gobernador, Matthew Marcos Manotoc, para sa kanyang pambungad na talumpati.
Just check nila na yung magabigat. Unang-una, of course, allow me to greet just a few officials, no? Kasi ang haba po ng aking listahan. So pasensya na po to those that I missed. But of course, His Excellency and our President and proudly my uncle, Bongbong Marcos Jr., Sec Kiko Laurel, Administrator and forever Mayor Eddie Guillen. Ang ating kasama from BFAR, from Inisaip, ang dami pong agencies dito and sub-agencies. But to our NIA family na lang, maraming salamat po sa ating kasama from DNR, from the Office of the Congressman of Ilocos Norte, PNP, to all of our uniformed personnel, to our Vice Governor, to our mayors, to our bukales, to our konsehales, sa ating barangay officials, magandang umaga po na imbaga bigat. And of course, higit sa lahat, no, ang ating beneficiaries, no, our 11 barangays and ang ating co-op, no, that Mayor Eddie said na we were able, no, Mayor Eddie and Mayor Ferdinand, we were able to organize, no, and integrate for this purpose. And of course, first and foremost, on behalf of the over 600,000 Ilocanos, allow me to express my deepest gratitude to our President, to our Sec Kiko, and to Admin Eddie for this landmark project dito po sa Pasukin and for the entire province, benefiting over 1,000 ng ating mga Manlalon and of course ang kanilang pamilya. We hope and we know that this will also benefit the province in terms of aquaculture and tourism. But for today, allow me to welcome you all to Ilocos Norte and welcome back home, Mr. President. Mabuhay po ang ating presidente, mabuhay ang DA, mabuhay ang NIA, mabuhay ang Ilocos Norte. Just check nila.
Maraming salamat, Governor Manotoc. Ngayon naman, inaayahan po natin si NIA Administrator Eduardo Guillen upang magbigay ng mensahe.
Maraming salamat po. His Excellency President Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr., fellow public servants, mga bayaning magsasaka, mga kababayan na imbag nga bigat tayo amin na po. Sa kasalukuyang panahon ng pagbabago, ating nasaksihan ang pambihirang progreso sa ilalim ng kapuri-puring pamumuno ng ating mahal na Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Kaya naman ngayon, aking buong pusong pinagmamalaki ang bahagi ng progresong ito, ang Solbec Small Reservoir Irrigation Project or Solbec SRIP. Ang nasabing proyekto ay bahagi ng 10 Years Accelerated Irrigation Development Program ng NIA. Sa nasasaklawan ng matuwid na pananaw ng bagong Pilipinas at ng programang Build Better More. Ang Solbec SRIP dito sa Ilocos Norte ay sumasaklaw sa mga sakahan ng 10 barangay dito sa Pasukin. Layunin ng proyekto na magbigay ng patuloy na supply na patubig sa humigit kumulang 705 hectares na siyang dadaloy sa mga nasasakupang sakahan nito na makapagbibigay ng masaganang ani at kabuhayan sa ating mga magsasaka at pamayanan. Kasama rin sa serbisyo na matatamo ng mga kanayuran dito ay ang pagkontrol ng baha, aquaculture, hydropower, supply ng tubig para sa sambayanan at mga pasilidad. Ang proyektong iyong natutunghayan ngayon ay binubuo ng pawis, dugo, pag-asa at pagmamahal ng mga taong nasa likod nito. At ako naman po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng suporta na inyong pinagkakaloob sa pamunuan ng NIA. Sa ilalim ng matatag na pamumuno ng ating Pangulong Marcos Jr., tayo ay handang magtrabaho ng lampas pa sa inaasahan at higit pa para sa kapakanan ng sambayanang Filipino. Ang administrasyon na pinamumunuan ng ating butihing Pangulo ay nananatiling matibay sa kanyang pangako na isakatuparan ang Build Better More program na sumasalamin sa kanyang dedikasyon sa pambansang kaunlaran at kapakanan ng bawat Pilipino. Ang kanyang pananaw at paninindigan na may angat ang antas ng pamumuhay nating mga Pilipino ay siyang nagtutulak sa pagbuo ng mga makabagong proyektong kagaya nito. Kaya naman, hinihikayat po namin kayo na magsama-sama, makiisa, suportahan at mahalin ang layunin ng Build Better More program. Ang ating tahakin ang landas patungo sa isang masaganang bagong Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayong lahat.
Maraming salamat, Engineer Guillen. Ngayon po ating matutunghayan ang isang audio-visual presentation tungkol sa Solbec SRIP.
Welcome to the Solbec Small Reservoir Irrigation Project, an initiative designed to transform agricultural productivity and support farmers' livelihoods. Situated in Barangay Sapat, Pasukin, Ilocos Norte, this irrigation project irrigates 705 hectares of farmlands and served 10 barangays, with 4 irrigators associations providing sustainable water supply for 1,045 farmers and their families. The reservoir area can impound approximately 1,063,000 cubic meters of water that aims to harness that potential of local water resources, ensuring that every drop is used efficiently to irrigate fields and boost agricultural output. Construction of the Earthfill Dam began in 2014 with a dedicated team of engineers and local workers, making the construction of the project a source of livelihood for some of the residents from various barangays of Pasukin during its construction. The National Irrigation Administration is clear with objectives of the project, and it is to increase agricultural productivity, enhance food security, promote sustainable water management, and improve the livelihood of the farmers. The diversion dam is constructed 1.8 kilometers downstream of the reservoir to regulate the flow of irrigation water to the service area. It was designed to pass flood discharge of approximately 525 cubic meters per second.
bilang presidente ng Solberg Strip Federated Irrigators Association ay lubos po ang aming kagalakan sa proyektong ito sapagkat ang pagsasaka ang siyang ikinabubuhay ng karamihan dito sa aming bayan. Umaasa lang po kami sa ulan. Kaya nangarap po kami ng sana ay magkaroon ng ganitong proyekto upang mayroon po kaming sapat na tubig na magagamit para sa aming mga pananim. Ang pangarap namin ay hindi na lamang isang pangarap. Sa tulong ng ating gobyerno, sa pangunguna ng National Irrigation Administration, ay natupad na po ang aming pong mga pinapangarap. Nais ko pong kunin ang sandaling ito upang pasalamatan ang ating mahal na Pangulong Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. sa patuloy na pagmamalasakit sa mga magsasaka. At ang isa sa kanyang mga layunin ay mapaunlad ang kabuhayan ng mga magsasakang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po sapagkat binigyan niyo po kami ng pag-asa upang umasenso ang aming pong mga ikinabubuhay. Sa tulong ng National Irrigation Administration at ng Department of Agriculture ay sigurado na po kami sa masaganang ani para sa ikauunlad ng aming pong mga buhay. Muli, maraming salamat po.
The Solvex Small Reservoir Irrigation Project is more than just an infrastructure. It is a beacon of hope, a lifeline for our farmers, and to the community. It represents progress, resilience, and a promise of a brighter future.
At ngayon, atin pong inaanyayahan si Agriculture Secretary Francisco P. Q. Laurel Jr. upang ipakilala ang ating panauhing pandangal.
Hello. Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you to Secretary Kiko Laurel for his kind introduction. Of course, I would like to greet everybody here who I've not seen in a long time. Number one, by the Governor, Governor Mati Manotoc, Vice Governor Cecil, also who has been holding the fort in the meantime. And of course, ang ating forever mayor ng Pindig. Pero ngayon administrator ng NIA, Administrator Eddie Guillen, who has been helping us sa lahat ng aming ginagawa. Dahil alam naman natin na ang pinaka-importante, pinakamahalaga kapag ang pinag-uusapan ay agrikultura, lalong-lalo na kung palay at ay patubig. And that is why we have concentrated a lot of our efforts, a lot of our funding dito sa ganitong klaseng mga proyekto. The Pasukin Mayor Aguinaldo, apong mayores, ken Bucales, ken opisyales ng LGU, my fellow workers in government, our team Manalon tayo, gagayan keng kakabsat na imbagngal daw ay ayatek na kaikailan. Naragsakan nga adda iti sidong yu ang mangiburay ito daytoy na isang sangayan a okasyon. It is indeed a momentous event for me as we celebrate another triumph in our efforts to elevate the state of agriculture in the country. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm grateful to be with you as we inaugurate the Solvex Small Reservoir Irrigation Project or the Solvex RIP. It is more than 900 it is a more than 900 million peso project that includes the Sulbec Earthfield Dam, which is the first impounding dam to be constructed here in our province. It boasts a capacity of over 1 million cubic meters. If translated into practical terms, that means a generous supply of water that can irrigate more than 700 hectares of agricultural land in 10 barangays here in Pasukin. Ang proyekto pong ito ay makakapagbigay ng patubig sa higit na 1,000 magsasaka sa lugar na ito. Kaya po ang mga magsasaka natin ay makakaasa na magiging mas maganda at marami pa ang kanilang aanihin. Aside from storing water for irrigation, 2 hectares of the dam's reservoir will be dedicated to aquaculture. The NIA is also planning to develop the Sulbec Strip to accommodate a hydropower plant facilities for recreation and tourism. In fact, I was looking around. One of the things that we discovered when we do these things, when we have a dam, when we put a dam and there is a lake, immediately it is a potential tourist spot. And that's something that we can think about. And besides, what we can add to the hydroelectric power and the aquaculture that we are going to get from this Earthfield Dam is also the magpalutang tayo ng solar na para meron tayong power para nga kung makapag-develop tayo ng tourist destination dito, meron na tayong pagkukuhanan ng kuryente. The implementation of this may have been long and laborious, but knowing how many communities will benefit and how much impact it will make on their day work, it is impossible not to be excited and happy. So allow me to recognize some of the few people who have worked very hard to make this a reality. First, I would like to acknowledge our engineers, our architects, and construction workers who have relentlessly worked to ensure the integrity of the structure, operation, and maintenance of this program. And perhaps you may think that that your task in building this is just another job to meet the needs of your respective families. I have to tell you, it is much more than that. This project is a testament to Filipino mark of excellence which has contributed significantly to our efforts in rebuilding our nation and providing a better environment for the next generations. To the officials and staff of NIA, your perseverance has led to the accomplishment of this project. And while we celebrate the realization of this undertaking, the challenge for us moving forward is to keep delivering our promises and for the aspirations of our people. I was just having a quick discussion with Secretary Kiko. Kailangan pa natin daan-daan na ganito. This is what we need, hundreds of this around the country. Kaya please see to it that the operations of the Sulbec Strip will be smooth and dependable so that we can keep our word to our citizens and we can inspire more programs, more projects like this all around the country. And with the leadership and support that this administration is always ready to provide, I enjoin you to spare no effort in the execution of our other plans and projects. So let us exhibit how government works under the banner of Bagong Pilipinas. At bilang panghuli, sa ating mga minamahal na magsasaka, kaagapay ninyo ako at ang buong pamahalaan ng Pilipinas sa pagkamit ng isang masagana at maginhawang bukas. Hindi dito nagtatapos ang ating mga hakbang upang makamit natin ang bagong Pilipinas, ang isang bagong Pilipinas kung saan ang lahat ay may pagkakataon at kakayahan na pagyamanin ang kanilang kaalaman, galing at pamumuhay para sa kanilang sarili, para sa kanilang mga pamilya, at para sa ating minamahal na Pilipinas. Isang bagong Pilipinas kung saan ang pamahalaan at ang mga sangay nito ay kumikilos ng mabilis, mabisa at puno ng pagmamahal sa kapwa at sa bansa. Kaya patuloy po tayong magkaisa para sa ating mga mithiin at para sa ating minamahal na inang bayan. So once again, I extend my warmest gratitude to all the minds, hands, and hearts that turned this dream into reality. I am sure that like me, you also hold great optimism and hope for the coming days and years, both for the development of the agricultural sector here in Ilocos Norte and the progress of the entire nation. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas, Tistiagnina, na imbagnal daw kadakayami.
Maraming salamat po, mahal na Pangulo. Sa puntong ito, hinihiling po natin sa ating mahal na Pangulo na magpaunlak ng isang photo opportunity. Tinatawagan po natin ang NIA officials. Maaari na po tayong umakyat sa stage. Irrigators Association Board of Directors, maghanda na po. Maraming salamat sa ating NIA officials, Irrigators Association Board of Directors. Maaari na po tayong umakyat sa stage. Apo Governor, Apo Vice Governor, and Pasukin LGU, maghanda na po tayo. Maraming salamat sa ating Irrigators Association Board of Directors. Ngayon po, Apo Governor, Apo Vice Governor, and Pasukin LGU, maaari na po tayong umakyat sa stage. Maraming salamat po, Ilocos Norte Provincial Officials. Sa pagkakataong ito, inaanyayahan natin ang ating mahal na Pangulo para sa isang group picture kasama ang lahat ng ating bisita. Ready at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Maraming salamat po, mahal na Pangulo. Dito na po nagtatapos ang ating programa. Tunay na isang pagpupugay sa sambayanang Pilipino ang mga proyekto ng ating mga ahensya. Maraming salamat, mahal na Pangulo. Mabuhay ang Pilipino, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas. Muli, mga kababayan, ang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Panahon na ng pagbabago, dahil sa ito ay kinakailangan tayo na magtulong-tulong, napaunlarin ang mahal nating bayan.
Muli mga kababayan, ang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Paalala lamang po, mangyari lamang